Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. So guys, in today's video I'll be doing the what's in my bag. I have done a video like this, I think it was about 3 or 4 years ago, believe it or not, and it was quite popular, so I decided to go ahead and do another one because I got a bag lately. I think I got it for Christmas and I've been loving it, and I thought, why not do a what's in my bag video? So anyways guys, I enjoy doing these videos, so if you like these videos, go ahead and thumbs up of course, and leave me a comment to let me know if you enjoy these types of videos. Let me just jump into it right away guys. So it is none other than my Giuseppe Zanotti. I'm trying to put my best Italian accent on. It's my Giuseppe Zanotti bag. It's a tote bag. It's quite small. Usually I like my bags big because I tend to walk with everything in my house, but it's good to sort of downsize sometimes because I tend to walk with less stuff. So I use this as my travel bag and also my just, you know, regular bag. So this is a leather bag. It has these two straps right here. It's a beautiful blue, guys. I don't know how to describe this blue, but it's a beautiful sort of sky blue. I don't know, I'm not very good with describing colors, but this is a lovely blue and it's not too sickly. You know, sometimes you have those blues that are a bit this isn't. It's so beautiful. It's so nicely structured and so nicely made. It's got these things at the bottom, so when you put your purse down, it just sits like that. Great structure, you guys. As I said, it has a long strap which is adjustable like that. It has a long strap, and of course it has these two smaller straps right here, so it can be worn as a crossbody, a shoulder bag, or you can just hold it in your hands like that or over your wrist. So you can wear it several ways guys, and I absolutely love the structure and the make of this bag. It's a very sturdy, very strong bag, and it's 100%, I think it's calf leather or something, but it's a very good leather. So let's go ahead and jump into what's inside this bag of mine. So are you ready? Okay, so the bag has a opening at the front. It doesn't have a zipper or a clasp or anything like that. It's just an opening pocket like that, so you can just shove anything that's not important, because if you put anything important it might just slip out some way somehow during your travels. So it's just an opening like that, and in the front there I have some tissues. Don't ask me why, but I always walk with tissues because I always have runny eyes or runny nose or something that I need to wipe. So I've got a receipt there from something. As I said, I've got my tissue, so that is the front of the bag, and it has the logo right there, Giuseppe Zanotti. So that's how the front looks. Let's go ahead and go inside the bag. So I'm going to start from, it has 1, 2, 3 pockets, and then of course it's got the smaller pockets here on the inside. So let's go ahead and start with the first pocket. Okay, so in the first pocket I'm just picking out randomly guys. So I've got my specs, my reading glasses, because sometimes these words are so small you cannot see them, so I have my very cute readers. Yes darling, so you were saying? Yes, this afternoon? Perfect. So I have my readers here, which I tend to walk with. Okay, I've got my readers, then I've got my earbuds, which I think I need to charge. Oopsie, I barely use them, I just use my bigger ones. So those are my earbuds. These are just some random ones I got from Amazon, but they are really handy if you're traveling. There's no name on it, so I can't really tell you what brand it is, but they are very good for traveling. Then I've got this plastic bag right here. You know, when you're traveling, if you've got any liquids or anything like that, you're supposed to put them in a Ziploc. I always have this Ziploc with my stuff. So let me tell you what's in this. Let me show you what's in this Ziploc bag. Correct? Okay. Got my lotion, of course. I hate dry, ashy hands. This is the Nivea Soft. That's what it looks like. Smells divine. I've got that. I've got my hand sanitizer, of course, because I love to keep my hands clean, especially if I'm going to eat. Clean hands, okay? Got some mints, of course, some Mentos. Got to keep the breath fresh, especially if you're traveling and it's a long flight. You need to keep that breath fresh. I've got House Laboratories here. This is Lady Gaga's brand. I love this lip gloss. It's very similar to the Milani Ludicrous. Let me show you guys how similar they are. So this is the Lady Gaga one, which is more expensive, and this is the Milani one. So that's like a dupe for the Lady Gaga one. So what's this one called? Can't see the name. So yeah, so I've got my lip gloss in that bag. I've got another lip gloss from Fenty in my Ziploc bag as well. Don't ask me why I have so many lip products in that bag, but I have these two. I have a pen in case you need to sign some papers, and I have a lip balm here which I got from another travel bag. So these are the stuff I have in this Ziploc bag right here. So this is what I always travel with when I am flying. So these are all the stuff I have, okay? So that's the first pocket. The second pocket has nothing in it. The third pocket, which is at the back here, what do I have? I've got my wallet, and in my wallet I have lots of cards and stuff like that. No money's in there, so don't come and rob me. So that's my wallet I have in there. And then I have this bag which I get when I fly. So it's got all the bits and pieces that you need. It's got toothbrushes, it's got a toothbrush, it's got a little moisturizer here, and it's got a pen. I took out the socks and the eye mask because I used them on the last time I traveled. And did I say toothpaste? Yes, toothpaste and those earplugs. So this bag is quite handy if you travel. So that stays in this bag, okay? And then in the pocket, in the small pocket there, let's go through what I have. I'm just gonna pick them all out. So these are what's in the pockets. Got me my mirror, which my younger brother gave to me as a birthday gift. It was a happy birthday gift. It says, behind you all your memories, before you all your dreams, around you all who love you, within you all you need. I thought that was so sweet. So yeah, my mirror, of course, and then I've got my pass where I live, cards, Oyster card, some kind of travel paper, and a mask. Can you believe it? So this must have been in my bag a while ago, because I just tend to, if I change my bags, I just go like this and put them in my new bag. So this must have been in my old bag. So I've got a mask in there. Don't ask me why, because I don't wear them anymore. So those are all the things. Oh, I tell a lie. I also have a feminine napkin and my SIM card. So those are the things in my in the pocket. So that's it, guys. That's all I have in my bag. And there you have it, guys. I have just shown you what's in my bag. Nothing fancy, nothing strange, just the simple things that I need on a day-to-day basis, or if I travel. Obviously I'm going to have more stuff like my computer and maybe a few more bits and pieces, but for the most part that's usually what I have in my bag. Sometimes I have like a hand wipe or something like that, or a lipstick, but I didn't have any in my bag today. So that's basically all I have in my bag. I do hope you enjoyed watching, guys. I find these kind of videos fun and I want to see what's in your bag. So go ahead and do this video and let me see, because I'm nosy. I want to see what's in your bag. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.